clean the roof. It's supposed to rain for like 4 days. Look at my hair. But look, got a pretty sunset. Alright, so let's get this cleaning. I'm supposed to use powdered detergent or something, but I don't have any of that, so. This is so satisfying. I think it's hot. Honest to God, I have no idea if I'm doing this right, but look. I'm just dripping. It's in my eye. Oh, it's so hot. So I'm going to come back and dye-core that and all of that, but for some reason this is oddly satisfying. That's with clean, so this is kind of a train wreck. I have to put that back on because I didn't have the right screws, so that's next. But this is fun. I hope I'm doing this right. Just in case I'm not, make sure you seek professional advice before doing this and don't just use my YouTube video as reference. I didn't really think this one through, but I only have this much left and I'm, no joke, running out of daylight. Okay, base coat on. I'm pretty drenched and this is very sketchy, so I'm just gonna get down. So my goal was to get the base coat on last night so that I could dry, and then this morning do the top coat because it's supposed to rain for like the next 4 or 5 days starting like late tonight. Well, I rushed to get it all painted on there last night. I was even working into the dark, and I knew that the morning would come with dew, but I didn't realize it would be this bad, and it completely ruined and soaked everything that I did last night. There's cracks in the paint. The paint's literally just moving on top of the dew liquid, and that's really frustrating. I did just lose my bed from the water that had gotten into my camper, so like I'm just, you know, over it and ready to get out of this swamp so I can be back in the dry. This is all important stuff, and this is part of being an RV owner, and I guess technically I could do this on the road. It's a lot easier when I have an actual place to like work and keep the dogs cool, so I'm not going to complain. I'm going to focus on the positive, but I am a little down on my luck lately, so that's been kind of frustrating, but it's going to be okay. We're going to get it done. Alright, so I checked this morning and it was still dewy, so I'm going to go up on the roof again now and see if it has dried now that it's 3 o'clock, not 11 o'clock. Because this morning there's a lot of dew and puddles, and all of the hard work I did last night is for nothing. So I definitely need to get another coat up there, but I need the sunlight in the day to dry, because tonight we're supposed to get thunderstorms, and the weather keeps changing, but they are indicating that like it's gonna rain off and on until Monday, and Monday's got like a 15% chance of rain or something, so I might have a window of opportunity there, and it's like the hottest day of the week. Uncomfortably hot. So it's sticky, but it looks to be dry, so I'm gonna try to do one more coat real quick and hope that it can dry in time. I'm gonna have to put tarps over the roof tonight before the rain, and I have to do that in a way that it doesn't stick to the primer. So it's about to get creative at 11 feet in the air. All right, second time's a charm? I hope so. All right, so it's dry, so I'm gonna do the top coat now. All right, first layer done. Whew. I'm so hot, I need to cool off. I just sealed the whole camper. Whew.